Okay, we're picking up where we left off. Sorry, this app only allows me to record 15 minutes at a time, so I recorded and then had to upload this. But I haven't done anything, so we left on 6400. But to get directly to the point, as you saw, everything else, Laguna said that it was only 2 and 183.01, and then the 64 had everything else uploaded or downloaded the programs just fine to the blue panels on the online controllers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go look at the programming, and we're going to go see, let's go look at 74. Program 1 is going to be these runtimes right here. So I'm going to take a snapshot to verify these minutes. And then we're going to go to controller, the blue panel, 74 that we were on. And then program, view. Program 1. So those are showing the correct times. So 5:09 for station 2. So, like I said, this is very sporadic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I think these are right times. Yep, those are correct too. That's correct too. Actually, let's verify this. So program 1, station 15. Here's a perfect example. 1 minute 43 seconds. The blue panel has 15 minutes and 26 seconds. So then here, you can even say right here, program 1 through program 12, fully downloaded. As you can see here, Laguna says it's downloaded. Laguna has in the blue panel that it's going to run 15 minutes and 26 seconds. Program 1, 1 minute 43 is the adjusted runtime. All programs, both programs. So please explain to me why Laguna says on controller 220 that the program is downloaded at the 1 minute 43 seconds. But we're showing 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Here is the exact example of what we're seeing and why our adjustments that we're making, we're either flooding or burning up fields because the adjustments that we have, Laguna is not sending out. And Laguna is lying to us because we have no alerts right here. Let me go back. I'm going to do program 2 for you guys. Oh, so this is interesting. Here's a great point. So then, yeah, so this is even something completely different. So 143 and then this one's 51 seconds. So these aren't even matching up. So let's see if we can save and send. Okay, so we manually push the program out. So we're going to see the minute 43 seconds for this instance. And like clockwork, so I manually push it, and now it's synced and has the correct time. So again, I don't know what happened, but it was working well for almost all summer after Craig came out, and the automated scheduled download worked perfectly fine. And then since I've contacted you, this is what we're seeing. It's very sporadic. Sometimes it's just one program, but how do I look through all these controllers and all these programs to find this and then manually push it? Kind of defeats a central control. And then sometimes it's every single controller that we have. So this is the frustration. Thank you.